This is our outside dining table. I made this, I don't know, 7 or 8 years ago. It's gone through 2 tops. Base has been consistent. It's like 10 feet long. We just found it's too long. Like, we don't use the whole table. So we're gonna do a new table. It's gonna be about 7 feet. I have this cool drafting table base. So this base that we're looking at right now is gonna go away. Yeah, should be cool. Do something fun. All right, let's do it. This is the base. It's an old drafting table. It's like spring tensions. I don't even know how to do it. Anyway, I think I could take this off from here and then weld some pieces to come out to hold the boards. I just like that it's all steel, don't worry about wood. And it's just a cool design. So let's see if we can get this off and go from there. So I want to work on the base so that I can figure out spacing for the pieces underneath the top that go across and basically hold us together. So I cut all right, I was able to get these off. These were the brackets on the drawing table. So they'll give me a reference point to put this 1x3 piece of steel and then have arms come off that will hold the table. So I cut one down, so I'm gonna do the same, and then I'll weld this here, and then off of here, we'd have more 1x3 that supports the table. That's the thought process. So let's try it. These actually screw in, so the reference point is there, and with this round tubing, I needed a reference point. At least for me, I needed a reference point. So I think that'll work. So let's go.